Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Well, it's Tuesday, September 24, and we are getting back in the short reload zone on Bitcoin. Love to see that. Morning, Robert, Bucur, Sebastian, Cătălin. Morning, guys. So, love to see that Bitcoin is trying to retest this level. And like we discussed it yesterday, if we'll close above this level, that's a new high and that's bullish. For the moment, it's kind of a range here. But how many times you saw me looking for long setups in close to short reload zone? Well, you can see me now. So I'm not too bearish. Let's just say I'm not too bearish on Bitcoin at this level here. No? I have the hedge. Yeah, okay, we played around the short ideas, but we are above 60K. We did an AB equals CD. Now maybe we can retest this level, 61 kind of idea, make a new W and do another AB equals CD. Consolidating below that resistance level, not bearish in my view. Morning, Andre. Morning, Boba. I don't think it's too bearish. I need to see a NIM here. I need to see something more than what I see now to even think about short setups here. If the market will push higher here and I'll see an NIM, okay, why not? I'm a trader. I need to make money up and down. But for the moment, we are just slowing down a little bit. Nothing unusual if we look left. So on daily, if you are not sharp, it's better to stay out from the day trading because it could get ugly. We can see a dark mole there in any moment. But if you know what you are doing, I think you can still make some money at that level. Indicators, you can see no bearish divergence on daily, nothing for the moment. Still strong, so nothing to complain about that. Ethereum, still strong, following Bitcoin, weaker than Bitcoin in general. If the market will accept above $2,820 here, well then, okay, we'll have a new high. For the moment, we have this LJ, we have a W in the long reload zone, which was nice. No W completely the other side of the trend line, so no LJ setup. And AB equals CD completing. If Bitcoin dominance will slow down, yeah, I could see Ethereum trying to push a bit stronger here. I'm not focusing on hunting long ideas necessarily on Ethereum. I see other altcoins where we can hunt some longs. If you look at Bitcoin dominance, for example, well, at least it's going back in the range, in the support area. We have an M on daily, ugly, but it's there. It's not our decision how the M is formed. You can see here, big M on daily. Well, I'm already hunting long ideas on altcoins. I'm hunting long ideas with Holy Grail. So if Bitcoin dominance wants to go lower, well, why not? That will help our trade. We have exposure on the long side, and we are net long on everything in crypto. So I'm enjoying an M on Bitcoin dominance. Not the best one, but it's there. And exactly what we waited for, an M on daily chart on Bitcoin dominance. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, you can see we have a bounce, and similar we have a kind of a W. I'll be honest, I cannot call this one a W. It's kind of a V bottom there. But if we form a better or come back or retrace and we'll form a W, well, it's in the long reload zone. It's a sign that maybe Ethereum will start outperforming Bitcoin. OBV is telling me that nothing is happening. RSI has bullish divergence already. on daily. Yeah? So we have signs that maybe Ethereum is not so weak against Bitcoin as we think, even if Vitalik is doing something else. Usually when everyone is bearish on something, that something will reverse, and everyone is bearish on Ethereum. And you can see price is in a long reload zone. We should look for long ideas against Bitcoin from now on. It's close to this megaphone trend line. Huh? Let's see what we are, where we are here. Yeah, I don't see that W, but I should look for a W. We are in the long reload zone from the entire range, guys. Where you want to see the W? Here in this area. Will come here or lower, doesn't matter. Wait for that weekly W. For the moment, we don't have a clear daily W. So we are still early on that thinking. But as an idea, we should hunt long ideas here. We should look for long. Just my 2 cents. We are trying to form here a 3-bar fractal on weekly chart. We still have some time until the candle will close, but who knows? We'll see. Morning, Brata. No, long time no see, Brata. Nice to see you back. If you have any questions or anything else, please type in the chat and I'll gladly take a look. If you have any requests, at the end of the live stream, I'll take a look. So that's Ethereum versus Bitcoin here. Good location, no W yet. Bullish signs, bullish divergence already confirmed on RSI. DXY fighting the same level. We can see it's fighting support and resistance. Oh, okay, we'll wait to see what happens. I still think we'll lose that level, but it's just my opinion. Bitcoin against dollar on daily. On the other template, similar view, nothing special. Total tree still stronger than the rest. You can see here, acceptable. Let's see if only we'll accept about this level, then we have a strong reason to think higher. If we'll accept above this one, well, even better. For the moment, as you can see, we are fighting to break out from this downtrend channel. And ES on daily, like we discussed, strong and really strong. I cannot be bearish on Bitcoin and crypto when I see ES at the fucking above the old all-time highs here. I'm pushing higher. Sorry guys, I have to look for long setups. I know the influencers, I know some people are expecting a recession, but I see on the chart that ES is at the all-time high and it's pushing higher. So I'll look for long setups. Yeah, indeed, some altcoins are at the bottom. Really nice for us to buy some. But for me to be bearish here, no, sorry. I'll let the public be bearish here. Maybe if something will change, if the market will pump and then will retrace after the election, yeah, it's possible. I'm not saying that will go straight up. But at this point in time, I just don't see why I should swing trade or day trade on the short side. I just don't see it. Okay. That's the overview. I don't know if Stefan is here. Stefan, if you are here, type in the chat, please. Okay, so that's the overview. Let's see what we have on a lower time frame. Okay, you are doing the live stream later in the day? Day trading, Stefan? Morning. Yep. So guys, in half an hour after we close the live stream, Stefan will start a new one, day trading with Stefan, where you can see what Stefan is doing day in, day out. Scalping, day trading with Stefan. Maybe you can take some setups if you are sharp enough. You can follow Stefan and take some of his setups. If you are not a day trader, just enjoy the live stream. Okay, so Bitcoin on 1 hour. Well, you can see we made this plan yesterday. We had, if you remember, I had a 61.8 here and produced a 1-to-1. You should move your stop to scratch or close 50%, make a free position. You can see after that we managed to get in a shark setup overnight. We are getting close to 1-to-1. And if the market will reject here, we have an SFU setup here. I had a discussion last night with someone that doesn't understand why I'm putting an entry at the stop loss, at the previous stop loss. Well, I try to explain. Seems like it's hard to explain that. If you think how many times this trade will work without touching this one, well, you'll understand. And if this one doesn't work, so from the stop losses you'll take on this one, you have another win rate on this one. And this is a 2-to-1 and this is a 3-to-1. So if this one will not work and this one will work, you'll still make money in general. But if you put everything together, how many times this one will work, it will never touch this one, how many times this one will not work, and will work this one, and you'll still make money, and the ugly scenario that you'll be stopped out on both of them, you still make money. So for me, it's profitable. For people who don't understand this kind of concept, don't take it. It's that simple. Just don't take it. If you don't understand, you don't like it, do something else. For the moment, you can see we are fighting to get at 1-to-1. If we get at 1-to-1, I don't want to move my stop loss here. I want to close 50% from this trade. So when we'll reach 1-to-1, probably soon enough, close 50% from the trade, make a free position, let the stop loss here, and leave with the result. If the market will come back, this will be a scratch. You didn't lose money. And if this one will stop you out, you'll enter on this one. I'm hunting long setups in a potential in a short reload zone. How many times you saw me doing that? How many times you saw me looking for long setups aggressively close to a short reload zone? That should tell you something. And I'll leave it like that. Okay, so that's my thinking here. Be aggressive, take 50% at 1-to-1, and then leave with the result. If we'll get stopped out, you'll enter in this one, and then similar. If you'll get at 1-to-1, we'll close 50% from the trade and make a free position. It's not the easy environment. Let's zoom out a little bit. We are in a short reload zone here. So don't be too greedy here. Work on protecting capital. Especially when you are hunting long ideas in a short reload zone. Believe me, it's a good idea to be aggressive and protect your capital. If you are zooming out a little bit and you remember this trade, when I said about this W, and we had a long period of time to take this trade, everyone was bearish. Well, you can see the result of that. It's on higher time frame. It's on 4-hour chart, not on 1 hour. Let's put 4-hour chart. So we had a classic setup. Everyone got scared here, then got greedy back here. And I said, well, it's short reload zone. Let's short. Don't chase. Let's wait in the long reload zone. Well, we finally got that. We got a W, general setup, classic one. Take the trade and leave with the results. You can see the results. I'm still thinking higher on a 4-hour chart. And so you don't have this opportunity to see a flash crash, bounce in the short reload zone, textbook back in the long reload zone to give you a clear W. That's the textbook price action. You don't see that every day. When you see it, you have to force yourself to take the fucking trade. You can do that or you cannot do that. It's a different story. Okay, so could be a range here, and we can reject from this level and we come back in the middle and play around this range, or we can accept above and push higher. We'll have to wait and see. Okay, now let's take a look at 4-hour chart on altcoins. I don't want to go lower than that because Altcoins are pretty violent, so I need to keep a zoom out version, at least for this live stream. So IEVO pushing higher, that's nice. We have a trade, position trading, swing trading, which is nice. It's an uptrend here. I don't want to chase here. If I want to swing trade, I want a long reload zone. Will give me a long reload zone? I don't know, but I don't have a setup here. We had a setup on a different template. I think on this one, I need to change this one. Just give me a second. Yeah, there you go. So we had a trade here on 4-hour chart, and you can see that was the trade. Huh? What do you think? Was a good trade? Hopefully. Well, it's a different one here. It's not the correct one. I don't know. But I know I have one because I have the trade on my Binance. Anyway, I'll find it and I'll post it on the chat. Bitcoin, we discuss it. Ethereum, we have a short on Ethereum. Remember shark setup here? Well, if Bitcoin will still be strong, we'll push higher. But for the moment, I'm okay with keeping this one. Yeah? It's like I know that Ethereum is a bit weaker than Bitcoin. I'm bullish in the short reload zone on Bitcoin, but at least I'm shorting on Ethereum. And I have a zoom out version. So you can see the stop loss on this one. It's all the way up here. We got an entry. We have played around at this level and we accepted back below. Let's see what will happen. Yeah? So we have a short on Ethereum. CRV, I think you see what I see here. We have this trade from a long period of time for a day trader, swing trader. For our chart, we are from the beginning of September, more than 2 weeks long. You can see a bot setup here on 4-hour chart. A, B, C, D, W, 1, 2, 3 lows. So who knows how to trade bot? You can frame a setup here. CRV is lagging lately. I don't know for how long, but you can see the W's, you can see the bot setup. It's there. I'm not interested in taking that one because I'm long from the bottom, from 61.8 here. But that doesn't mean I don't see that potential AB equals CD. Okay, dimension. Well, dimension give us a really nice treat here. I still have some from the old, from this trade. I don't see a new setup, but I'm not willing to bet that this one will not go higher. So I have a moon bag on this setup. Sorry, guys. So I'll just wait with that moon bag, stop loss at scratch, and I'll leave with the result. I don't see a new setup here. Similar, I could see a big W, but you have to zoom out on daily and be able to take that W. I prefer a better version on 4-hour chart. You have to pay more attention. It's a bit more difficult to trade, but you'll take more trades and you'll get a better risk to reward. I don't see a setup here. E-gold, similar. I was waiting for e-gold here. I posted on the $500 challenge. Never got to my level. I'm still waiting. I'm not chasing here. I have e-gold on position trading, on investment. Okay, I have enough. I don't want to chase here. Fat, well, fat is strong. I didn't manage to get the position I wanted. I have, and in the investment part, I have fat. I said I'll buy fat below $1. We got below and we consolidated here. So I have exposure, but I don't want to chase here. This one was a nice trade. This is a textbook patient trade. You take the entry here, textbook, and you are hunting a high risk to reward. And you can see 6.6, not bad. And nobody says to close the trade entirely here. Close 50%, 75%, and let the moon back, because if this one will push higher and higher, that entry could be a really good one. Manta, similar. We have a trade on Manta, a different template, and you can see it's pushing higher. Don't chase here, please don't chase it. If you have an entry and you took the trade here, like us, take the trade here, you got the retest on this initial W pushing higher, that's nice, but don't chase. Pixel, well, kind of similar here. I love to see that the altcoins are pushing higher, but it's getting uglier and uglier for us to get an entry. That's the problem. And I'll be forced to hunt with Holy Grail only. Because if altcoins will start pumping and pumping, the only way you can chase them is with Holy Grail. That's why I made that indicate. To be able to ride an uptrend or ride a strong trend. Pipe, similar, is pushing higher, took this high here. Big W forming, long consolidation. LJ, if you're thinking like that, just look at this one. I am okay with the market ranging here for longer, but we don't know how long we'll stay here. Solana, well, it's just playing around. Who managed to get an entry here? You can see. Wasn't bad, wasn't hard to take it. We even point out, well, look at this one. At that point in time, everyone was bearish. Look what happened. Indeed, if you zoom out, we have a range here, and we can play ping pong here. Ton, you know my opinion. Doji, well, on Doji, if you had a limit order where you want to play, it's getting closer and closer to the long reload, where you can reload. Reload if you manage to buy with me at 50 cents and sell above $1. If not, wait patiently for a W, maybe you can get a position. Doge, well, we finally got a free position on this one. No, similar stuff. LJ set up W the other side of the trend line. Okay, we took it. Another W here. Luckily, it didn't stop us out. And you can see what happened here. No? We finally got in the at 1-to-1 to close 50% and get a free position. Stop loss, it's still here. So from now on, we don't fucking care what will happen with Doge. We can trail all the way up. If Doge wants to pump higher, why not? Saga, it's strong, but I'll patiently wait back here. I think I'll get a fill at some point in time. I need patience here to wait until we'll get back in this range. Tao, well, it's strong and really strong here. Don't chase it. If you manage to get one of the Stefan setups, okay. But now to chase it here, no. I got a 10R on Tao over the weekend. Let's see if I have Tao somewhere here. Let's see. Let me show you what I did. I think I still have that. No? I deleted it? No, it's here. And look at the potential. Look at the potential if I didn't close it. But because it was weekend, I didn't want to overcomplicate myself and I just took this one. Got my entry here. I took a 10R out of the market. Well, 10R is damn good in my opinion. And then I got stopped out here. And you can see market ranged for a long period of time and started again. And I could take the entry again. I didn't do that. Why? I don't know why I didn't do that. Doesn't matter. This is another 10R. But now it's too late for me to chase here. If I'll see an uptrend forming again, I'll do it again. So don't chase Tao. You can chase it, but only with Holy Grail. And yes, we discussed it on higher time frame. 4-hour chart looks even better. It's attacking the highs again. And you can see higher highs and higher lows. That's an uptrend. So that's my overview of the market. There are a lot of altcoins that they are looking okay and really okay on 4-hour daily chart, forming daily Ws, forming weekly Ws. Take your shots if you want. Invest wisely if you want, because if you zoom out, altcoins are still at the bottom. Don't think short, don't think fear, don't think anything else than greed at these levels on altcoins. Yeah. Now you should be greedy to invest, not for traders. Traders, they have to play their fucking setups. Yeah. You are proving wrong, get the fuck out. You manage to hit your take profit, take your profit, and move to the next setup. But as an investor, yeah, be greedy on altcoins that you see are at the bottom. Don't sell your house, respect your plan or make a plan, but don't think short on altcoins. Okay. Luckily, maybe this year or maybe beginning of the next year, we'll have another dump to retest some levels and maybe you'll get our fields down below. But nobody's guaranteeing us that. Someone said about some altcoins. Yeah, let's see. Maybe you have some requests. Not USD. Well, we discussed not. No, we didn't. Not this time. Well, okay. Nice 4-hour chart. Trying to consolidate here. Trying to consolidate, probably bullish divergence. Yeah, all the way. Let's see daily. Actually, I should start to do daily. You can see bullish divergence on MACD all the way from June. Bullish divergence trying to form and confirm on RSI. This is bullish divergence. You can see this one is trying to confirm, is trying to push higher. OBV, let's see OBV. What we have on OBV. Well, it's holding. Let's call it that way. You have a good location on this one. Why? If you're taking the node from the top to the bottom, you are at 78.6. You don't have a W on daily. If you are a position trader, Catalin, you should wait for that daily W. If you are thinking position trading. So that daily W could be here at 80 cents. Well, not far away from here. But you need that confirmation first and then to take the trade. Don't anticipate and take the trade because this one could never touch this level, go back down and touch lower levels. Even, I don't know, where they started trade. You don't know where this one will bottom. First sign that you have a bottom, it's a daily W. So wait for that daily W and then play around. On 4-hour chart, I think we have enough. Well, yeah, they are looking nice. I see some W's in all the indicators. But keep in mind, Catalin, if you are playing that game, you have to be sharp enough and strong enough to take a stop loss. For example, if you take this W here and the market will touch this level, get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. If you are proving wrong, if you are on spot and you are trading on daily and you are sharp enough to trade with a soft stop loss, okay. I don't recommend it for beginners or for people who I don't know personally. So it's up to you. I could play this one if I necessarily want with a soft stop loss on daily chart. So, for example, I'll stay on daily because I don't want to fuck around. I'll wait for that W to form, probably break out a retest, and then I'll play this entire thing. A008 entry, 00669 stop loss. Soft stop loss. That means I need a candle body to close below to get me out. But only on spot and only on higher time frame, so the position size will be quite low. Is looking weaker than the rest, but that could change. It's a new coin. Who the fuck knows what the supply is? You have to go and look, and maybe they have some unlocks, stuff like that. I don't know. But at least it's not going down. It's going sideways from now on. So you don't have any hurry to be aggressive here. Dollar cost average investment, okay, do it. But if you want to trade, or you want to play around with a stop loss, wait for that daily W to fall. I know, well, you need a lot of patience for that. Sebastian is saying something about breath. Well, why not? We have it on Binance. Okay, I see. We have it on Binance. Well, it's looking different here, but still no daily W. It's trying to do one. Oh, let's see. Maybe we have Brett on a different platform. Maxine. Maybe they have more history. Different story. I have enough to make an opinion here. Okay. So let's look at Maxine, and then we can. So they consolidated here on Brett, pushing higher. Yeah, the nicest meme, and then slowly bleeding down. Okay. We are in the long reload zone. So we have the first reason to think long. I see some bullish divergence forming here, which is, I don't know if I have enough, but it's close enough. Give me a clear W breakout and retest. We don't have that. We are trying to form a W. This is not, I need for a W on daily or any time frame to be damn sure that is confirmed. You need, for example, here, this big one, at the week high here in the middle of the W, you need a candle body close above that level. And that will confirm, well, we have a confirmation. If you want to have a clear confirmation. Yeah? So we have location, that's good. We have indicator confirmation. You can see bullish divergence. And we need a clear W, breakout and retest. Looking on 4-hour chart, you can see it's forming a range, is aiming out, it's just going sideways. So it's kind of too violent for my taste to play around on 4-hour chart. You know, I'll be honest. We have an uptrend here. It's clear. If you want to play the uptrend channel, it's not a bad idea. So if you are sharp enough, or you are one of the people from who did Kappa 2, I think you can do that. By the way, Kappa 2 is still open for registration. So join, because I don't know when we'll do it again. So you can see, this is the uptrend channel. You are in the middle of the channel, don't touch it here. Wait for a retracement here at the bottom and then try to hunt a long idea. Uptrend channels, you want to see, touch here, fake outs and hunt long ideas. Well, if we get at the 88.6 from the entire range a lot lower, then it's a different story, Sebastian. But we touched the 78.6 and you can see the bounce. If something bad will happen, this one will dump. But for the moment, you can see we have this uptrend channel. Could push higher. This week could be retested entirely. Who knows? I don't see any other requests. So we have more than half an hour. Let's close the live stream. Please leave a like if you like the content. Don't be shy to put requests or to ask questions. I'll gladly answer you. And if it's too much for a live stream, I'll continue on the chat or in the New York session live stream and so on. Today, the New York session live stream is for all verified people. So if you want to participate today and you are not on Discord, join Discord, then ask to be verified and you'll have access in the New York session. And there you can ask more questions. You can see how we trade. I'm not only scalping in the New York session. I'm day trading, even swing trading from time to time. Yeah. If you want to scalp and you want to be fed with day trades, setups and only setups, day in, day out, well, you should join VIP. Some people say that it's expensive. Well, if you are serious and you have a good portfolio, it's cheap, it's not expensive. Registration for VIP will start at the beginning of the month, so more than 6 days from now. Discuss with Stefan and book your place before we'll start opening. Registration for Cup 1 is officially closed. Someone asked me to make an exception. Well, I think it's possible, but that guy has to recover more than 3 weeks now. which is not easy to do. No? Up to you. The rest is only up to you. But please, guys, don't be public. I don't know. I have to change the theme of the crypto traders arena from the treat trading like a business and don't be the public, at least for the moment. Well, glad that you like it, Tolga. We have an offer. So we have an offer on premium part. Until the end of this month, 1 year plus 3 months bonus. Go and look on that channel and see the offer. If you like it, take it. At the end of this month, we put this offer with 1 year plus 3 months. At the end of this month, the live streams will not be for public anymore. You'll have to be a premium member to participate in these live streams. I'm intending to be a bit sharper and say more about setups, but I'll do it only for premium members, not for the public. I'll do a public one Tuesday. I'll do the weekly crypto review every Sunday, but the rest will be for premium members. Because the premium members demonstrate me that they are serious. And I know them, and I know they know the risk management part. They know how to behave in the market. So I don't think it's a good idea to speak about 1 hour charts, setups for the public. Some people, they could lose their account trading 1 hour chart or lower. And I don't want to have that on my head. I just don't. Okay, guys. Another thing, well, a shitcoin, meme coin posted yesterday. You can see we discussed it in the VIP first time. And you can see 5x, not bad. That was my entry at 36 here. I posted on VIP in the chat, and then I posted on premium, and they managed to get it on DGen channel. And you can see. Now it's testing the highs. If you got an entry and you have a free position maybe already, well, let it run. It's free. But get your money back. That's all I'm saying. If you bought here and you are here 5x higher, recover your money and let the rest run or go to zero. We don't know if this one will go from 2 million market cap to 20 to 200 to more, or will go back to zero. It's a pump fun one. I like the idea, yeah. Reject modernity, and the name is nice. The memes could be nice. They have potential, so could become something nice. That doesn't mean you have to chase here. You can see the long reload zone is same level. Wait patiently to get an entry here. If something will happen, and usually someone is panicking at some point, and you'll get a retest. That's your entry. Don't chase here, please. So that was a shitcoin. I am not anyway related to this project. I don't fucking care if you buy or you sell. It's just something that I scanned the market yesterday on Solana and I saw it and I like it. Simple as that. I put my own money. I'm free position. I don't fucking care if we go to zero. I even took some profit off a little bit. Rest is up to you guys. Okay. Tao and the rest of the I'll hunt with Holy Grail, long ideas. But the problem is we had a nice push up in the weekend, and today we should wait a little bit to see what happens. And then we can see new uptrend starting, and we can hunt with Holy Grail again if it will be the case. See you guys in a half an hour, I think. We'll start live stream again, day trading with Stefan. New York session is for everyone, or tomorrow with the same live stream. So, see you guys. Bye bye.